Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the proximity sensor issue in the Mi11X device and how you can actually fix the problem as well. So I'll try to explain in this entire video, friends. Even I do have the couple of other smartphones where I'll be showing you how their proximity sensor is working fine and why the Mi11X proximity sensor is not working alright, as you can see here. So I'll try to go through all this kind of explaining scenario in this entire video. As you can see clearly, the proximity sensor is not working. Doesn't matter how much you cover for the Mi11X device, it's not working. So I'll try to explain, friends, what's happening in this Mi11X and what's happening in the other smartphones where their proximity sensor is working and where this one Mi11X proximity sensor is not working, as you can see. So previously I did a video on this Mi11X phone with the top 5 major issues explaining, and a lot of users, they did complain about the proximity sensor is a major issue. Plenty of users, friends, that is the most problematic thing for a lot of users regarding the proximity sensor. So that's why I thought of making this kind of video in explaining why it's happening and what are the solutions available for this particular Mi11X model. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, and don't forget to check the playlist, friends, for the Mi11X device. As I said, there is this for every problem there is actually a video which I made for the Mi11X device. So make sure to check the playlist. That playlist will give you the clear idea overall. So let's begin this kind of test of why it's happening and what's the problem it's causing. So normally, friends, in the normal phones we do have the physical fingerprint scanner, which is proximity sensor, which is present here. So there's a physical proximity sensor which is present here in these two phones, in this Poco X3 and this OnePlus 8T. But there is no proximity sensor which is present in this mobile phone physically, friends. That is what the problem. You can easily differentiate when I turn off the lights, and you can easily see the proximity sensor. So let me try to show you, friends. So this is a Poco X3. So where you will be able to see the proximity sensor light, which will be blinking, as you can see, friends. This is not the notification light. This is the proximity sensor light. As soon as I face my finger over that small proximity sensor, it will try to change the value. As you can see, friends, whenever I keep my finger over there, it will try to change the value exactly on this red color light blinking. As you can see, this is a Poco X3. And now let me try to take the OnePlus 8T. In this OnePlus 8T, there is a proximity sensor to the right side of the phone, as you can see, red light. And this is the proximity sensor for the Mi11X smartphone. You can see, friends, middle punch hole, small punch hole. You cannot even see any kind of light, any kind of proximity sensor which is present in this phone. Absolutely, friends, as you can see here, there is no light at all. I think the phone is using the accelerometer sensor to change the value. So whenever you tilt the mobile phone, then the value will be changed. So that is what is happening, friends, in this Mi11X, and that is what is causing all this kind of problems. I'm not sure why they did not make simple as it is, like which the OnePlus 8T they thought, and even the Poco X3, they do have the normal proximity sensor, and I'm not sure why they they choose this kind of proximity sensor in this kind of Mi11X device, so which is a huge expense mobile phone as well. But still, I'm not sure what's happening. As you can see, friends, you can clearly see when I try to tilt the mobile phone, only then the proximity sensor is detecting. Even if I try to cover the smartphone, it won't detect. As you can see, it won't detect anything. No sensing at all, my finger. Sometimes with this method, what happens is that it will get freeze and it will get stuck. So that is when the proximity sensor issue happens. So it is not reliable method using this kind of method, but using this old type of method, which is very much reliable, friends. So that is what we like. Every time you place your finger, it will immediately react. So in this phone, in the Mi11X device, it's taking a lot of time. During the time processing of the time, sometimes it's getting stuck. So that is what is happening in this mobile phone. That is what I found out. And the solution for this problem is first one is use proper temper glass or proper glass. So make sure to have a very good quality one. So try to change the default one which you got in the box if you have any kind of problems, and try to use another one. Sometimes this might also affect the proximity sensor in this phone. And another thing is software update may also help the solution for this kind of proximity sensor solution as well. And if you go to the settings and if you type call in the settings, you will get this kind of call settings option. So if you go over there, click on the incoming call settings and try to disable this proximity sensor option as well, in case if you want to do that. So now you need to physically press the power button to unlock and lock the screen. So that is how I used to prefer, friends, if there is any problem with the proximity sensor in this phone. So this is the quick review on this phone, and wait for the update or try to remove the screen guard and try how is the proximity sensor is behaving. If it's working properly, then you need to use in that way only, friends. Otherwise you need to search for the proper type of screen guard as well for this smartphone. So this is a problem, friends, regarding the proximity sensor. And in case if you have any other kind of solution, so make sure to comment below. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting videos. And it's so much annoying for me whenever I try to compare with other smartphones in terms of the proximity sensor, it's not even detecting. As you can see, these two phones are completely changing, and I'm not sure why this MI 11 is not changing at all. As you can see, friends, clear example. And there's a proximity sensor delay as well in the Poco X3. That is another problem for this phone, which I did a video on that particular topic. But definitely there is a proximity sensor issue which will be there in the MI 11X device. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting videos and comparisons as well. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.